Welcome to Police Children's School Naked. Here we have our special summer school program, empowered by the Special Youth Leadership Foundation.
When this program came, I saw it as an opportunity to also move these students and make them at least have one or two ideas about these skills.
The program has been so wonderful. Being in a rural place, I thought that it would be good for the community. It will keep the children busy. This is a long vac.
They are eager to learn, so that will make me to also help them by teaching them.
The thing is that some people don't really know what to do. Just as kids, as teenagers, they are really confused about their life.
The first day we started with 57, 80. The number keeps getting on. Last week, Thursday, the last program we had last week, we had 125. I was afraid. What did we say to them? Thank you. Let's give them 5 posters.
I played part in making sure that they participate in this thing as to get 1 or 2 skills to help themselves.
We learned how to do cake, meat pie, liquid soap, different type of soap, both the solid and the liquid one. And then they taught us a lot of things, both the theoretical aspects and the practical aspects. I must say I'm really benefiting from it.
The first time I would attend the class, I teach us a lot of things.
I feel happy because I love it. I met the head teacher. She's very friendly.
I'm here. I brought my son for lesson. I see that they are teaching well and they are trying to take care of the children very well.
Special Youth Leadership Foundation. Believe me, the kids are happy with you.